What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released a Telugu anthology, Pita Kathalu. It consists of four short films, and I think it's becoming a trend now because recently we saw also Tamil also they are making a anthology, and I watched that. What was the name of that? A Kadigal, something like Pava Kadigal or something like this. I forgot the name. Yeah, Pava Kadigal. So let's review what are the stories. The first story is Ramulla. So there is a girl, she's a TikToker, I guess, and she falls in love with a guy, and that guy is from a big family, is from a very rich, like political background. But unfortunately, he didn't muster up courage to talk about their relationship in front of her brother. So little bit a coward because when you got a calf love, you're not uh, have courage to talk all these things in front of your elders. So when you don't get support from your family or loved ones, the situation is always like this. So in this particular situation, there is always a third person who takes the advantage. So there is a lady who is a politician, but not a very well respected in the society because she is not of according to the higher standard or that level of political uh, standard they have. So she has a grudge in her mind, and she thinks that how she can get uh, things settled. So it was always in her brain. Somehow she found out that this guy, his parents wanted to get him married with another girl. So the girlfriend now is dejected and she wanted to commit a suicide. And unfortunately, at the same time, that lady was passing from there and she saved her life. After that, what happened is one of the very unusual, but mostly it happens that when you have a small mind and you don't have a political tactics, that how the people use it. So they use this small pawn for her own uh, political gains. So I hope you really enjoy it because I think that's why they put this sequential order in a very good way, because Ramolla is far better than the other stories. The second story is about Mira, a writer who got married with a guy who is like very possessive and is always thinking negative about his wife. And since she is more in uh, that circle of artist and all these people, so he is always insecure. Since they got two children also, but still he is always insecure and he doesn't like her being mingling with all the guys around her. So what happens is that in this story, I think you will watch it by yourself. That what happens is because when your childhood is not uh, nurtured very well, you will definitely become a threat to society and to your surroundings. And I hope you really enjoyed that how they show the negativity will prevail on the things that you do it, no matter whatever the things are. Sometimes you always heading yourself towards the negative direction. So that goes for her husband also, as well as she. I don't need to talk further what happened in that one because you will really enjoy it, and the rest is you watch it. But there is a similarity between Mira and Pinky. You will watch what is the similarity there. Since we are in a environment where we are always isolating ourselves from the people due to the current situation, that's why they made this anthology X Life. So a guy who had his own setup of people bringing to his own circle. But overall, whatever our developments are on technology or robotics or whatever is, we still need our social interaction with the people. and we need to value people no matter whatever they are. We don't need to look down on what the jobs they are doing it. The important thing is that a power is something that you cannot hold to. It was given to you by the people because of their love and care. And the story is about all this, and especially about a social media. And I really personally feel like this because they just wanted to show that there is always a social interaction with humans is more important than all this social media and all these things. That's what I think. And no matter because when you are running for power, definitely there is no love, there is always greed. And this in this X life, it's cutting us, xing us from our social life. So that's what they wanted to show it. I hope whatever your perspective is, but it is what I think it, and I hope you will really enjoy it. The last one is Pinky. She's like a beauty pageant, and what happens with her is she's in relationship with the guy and who is a writer. So that's what I was saying, that what is Mira and what Pinky are doing in this. That is a correlation between these two stories. So he didn't like care too much about her because at the young age the women are always looking for care and affection and love and attraction. But unfortunately he is a writer and he is always busy in what he is doing it. So there should be a balance between your social professional life. And unfortunately they end up being divorced, and then now they have a new life. So they are on different channels, and now she is also big. Now she got married with another guy, and that guy is more caring. So there is a problem with people and their attitude, because once they get hit with their exes, so they give a wrong uh, image towards their why as well. So they always measure everyone with the same scale, like you will be like this, you will be like this. So that's why that guy was very caring, and unfortunately she is also uh, forwarding what she got from her previous husband. So what happened, they are willing to buy a house and they saw an advertisement, and the house they entered, thus starts the story. And I hope you really enjoy this one, because I don't want to reveal further what happened there, because there are some things that need to be not told. And I hope you really enjoy it. Overall I just like the first one, Ramula. The others one, okay, Mira is so X life is okay, because right now they just wanted to show that we have to communicate more with the people. So this is good. But like last time also there was another story like paused, right, something like that also. So, and I hope you really enjoy it. So have a great weekend, take care of yourself, and be around your loved ones and all those people, those who care about you. So have a great weekend. Bye bye.